Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're well. Yeah, so today we're gonna look at a method called subs in SymPy. Right, cool. So yeah, on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to the channel. So if you love what you see, please do subscribe. Please share the videos with your friends on WhatsApp, Signal, Telegram, Twitter, whatever it is that you use. Please do share the videos. I'd really appreciate it. Right, cool. So yeah, so I need to import the library. So from in SymPy import, right, get started, and then my symbols x y z equals symbols x y and then z. Okay, and then printing it's just to tidy or knit printing. Right, cool. So I've got a function f, right? So that'll be x squared minus 3x, right, minus 2, right? And then another function g, so that's going to be cos x squared plus sin x squared. Right. Okay. So I'm going to start off with a for loop with the function f. So for I in range 0, 11. Right. And then what I need to do is I need to substitute integers from 0 to 10 into that function, and then it will print out all the values, right? So substitute 0 to 10 into that function. Yeah. Okay, cool. So print, right, and then f.evalf, right, so subs, right, this is the subs part. So x for I, right. Okay, and then here we are. So that's what I've done, right? So for argument's sake, for starters, let's say when x is 0, so that'll be 0, obviously that's 0, that's 0 again, and then final value is minus 2, right? This is what we get there. And then if it's 1, so that's 1, minus 3, right? So minus 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and minus 2 is minus 4, and so forth until we finish the loop, right? So that's what we're doing, right? So just doing a quick one, right? And the next one, so g.subs for x, sub 0 for x, so you get 1, right? Okay, cool. And then g again, subs x for 1. So it just does that, but I'll just use the sim concept here, right? So call it g.evalf and then subs. We get 1. Yep. Nice. Okay. So I've got another function as well. So func, I'll call it func. That's equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Sorry. Okay. And what I need to do now is I want to substitute an integer to each symbol here, x, y, z, a different integer for each symbol, right? So func then dot subs, this is how we do it, right? Square bracket. So for x, I'll use 2, right? and then for y I'll use 4, and for z, let me see, yeah, z, I'll use 6. Right, so that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna put, so that's gonna be 2 squared plus 16 plus 36, right? And we get 56. So that's what we're doing. Okay, cool. And then another way of looking at things as well, I'm gonna use something called sympify. So I've got a string, I'll call it string, right? And x squared minus 3 times x minus 5, right? And then p, I want to compare that to an actual polynomial. Simplify string. Right, there we are. So now that's a polynomial. I can actually substitute 3. So subs x with 3. There we go. I can actually even do it again and say subs. Say 18. That'll do just a random number, that sort of thing. Right, cool. And then I've got another function as well, m. Probably just a simple one cos x. Right, so then m.subs again. X for 2.4. So we get that. We can also evaluate it this way. Right, cool. Right, cool. So whichever way you want to do it, it's entirely up to you. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it was just a quick vid, guys, showing you about the subs method in Python. Specifically, we're dealing with SymPy. Yeah. All right, cool. So if you love what you see again, guys, please do subscribe. Share the videos with your friends. I would greatly appreciate that. Okay. So thanks for watching, and have a lovely day. Voila. Thank you. Cheers. Bye-bye.